This is Expo 2015 Food Globalization Project.
These are the main themes of Expo 2015.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day because it gives us energy to start a new day.
We are a multicultural class.
We come from 12 different countries and we like a worldwide recipes book.
A multicultural world gives spices to our life.